Am I on air? At least the chat is live. Yeah, hello everyone. We have some nice change. Cut my hair. Okay, not me, the hairdresser, but yeah, my hair was cut, and yeah, this is the result of, I think, 2 or 3 weeks of constant thinking about what the heck should I do about it. Okay, I told you that what did my therapist said, and that I was totally against it, but yeah, I asked a lot of people. I asked you guys as well, and you gave me so much support and advices, and you really helped me to calm down and think straight. And yeah, at the end I ended up here and decided to change something, to change the hair, and yeah, I think it was a good decision at the end. I know that I was really upset and I really blew up the whole situation, because this is what I felt when the therapist said those horrible things, and yeah, she really hurt my feelings. But at the end, I think in some aspects she was right, and I am still me, so everything is totally fine. I really like it. I think it's really sweet. And yeah, this is not what I planned to do today when I went to the hairdresser. I just wanted to cut down, I think, this much. But yeah, after that, when she showed me that, oh, I cut down this much hair, I think, yeah, that much what I wanted to be cut off, then I was like, you know what? Cut down all of it. I won't wait anymore. I won't wait any longer. Let's do this shit. And this is just happened. But yeah, if I wanna have a long hair again, I have some nice cool wigs on the top of my bookshelf. For example, a really long pastel purple colored wig, so it's totally fine. If I wanna grow it again, I will be able to grow it. It may sound a bit morbid, I think, but it's not an arm or a leg. Once it cuts down, it can grow back, so it's totally fine. Hi Eddie! Welcome! I hope you got some coffee. Because besides water, coffee is the second most important drink, if you ask me. Love the hair! Thank you so much! It was a tough decision to make, but now I really enjoy it and I really like it. I'm glad that you like it too. I think I've been growing my hair for 6 or 8 years, something like this. I don't even know, because I have long hair for such a long time. Love it. Yeah, that's something new. I think when I had hair this short, so it was 10 years ago. Okay, let's do it.
An irregularity. The researcher we
Oh
planted
no.
has been discovered by the Illuminados.
You must be talking about that vagrant Spaniard. So where is he now?
He's held captive in an abandoned house located northeast of the village. Until he recovers the sample, we can't let him
Okay, it
die.
works now.
You don't need to remind me. Luis Serra. And I thought I was high maintenance.
Okay, this is funny. Work. Internet, please work. Maybe now? Maybe now. Oh, I hate this. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Now maybe it works. So yeah, what we should do is to rescue Louis. I'm gonna check constantly the preview window because now I'm not sure whether it works or not. Internet connection, you are killing me. So yeah, we are here and we have to reach that place. Oh, hi. Hello.
Welcome. Got a selection of good things on sale, Strange. What are you buying?
Treasure map, I don't need that. But I need a
Is that all?
TMP.
Thank you. Is that all?
Yeah, give me the first aid spray. I will need it.
Thank you. What are you selling?
Let's see, can I sell something? I think. I'm gonna wait for it because now it is acting strange again. Oh, I hate when this happens.
Come back anytime.
How many chapters is it with Ada? It's 5. The story has 5 chapters. It's an egg. Some money. Okay, what's here? Okay, this is where I came from. Yeah. Hello. Don't worry, Mr. Santa Claus, I'm just robbing you. It's totally fine. I should have expected this. Toilet is filthy. Concept of hygiene is lost on these villagers. What's here? This is hardly a masterpiece. Hi, welcome, welcome, and happy lurking. Nice to have you here. Oh! What? What the hell am I doing? Okay, much better. Too much surprises. Gold chicken egg. Of course I need it. No, 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 no. Chicken egg? Yeah. These are also some health restoration items. I think the gold one is something special, so I will save it for later. Come on, come here. I don't have enough shotgun shells to kill him. This is gonna be so funny. Oh, he died! Nice! Now give me ammo. No! More of them! Oh, stabby lady! Ah! I'm gonna stab you! I won! Please just give me ammo! I don't want money, I want ammo! No, don't dodge it. Thank you. Nice. Oh. They don't carry ammo, do they? Yeah, they don't, then this is a problem. No. Okay, I messed with the grenade thing. Oh, you're still alive. Give me ammo, please, please. Not just money. I'm gonna be in serious trouble. Let's check out this building. Oh, boxes, okay. Yes, thank you. Feeling much better. And now what? Okay. Ammo, yes! Oh! I will try to be sneaky. I don't want anyone to notice me. Oh! Did you see her? There's another one. Yes, handgun ammo. Thank you so much. No. Nope. I don't care about you. Just gonna leave. What the hell is this creepy noise? Okay, a chicken laid an egg. Did we get it? Brown chicken egg. Save point. Map loading, the best way to run away. I think I will use this regular egg. The restore my health a little bit. Yes, I know what I should do. No, I don't want to open it. Oh no. Oh my god. What the fuck am I doing? Look at those people! No! No, 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 I don't like this. Okay, here comes the master plan. More zombies! Yes! Hi, Angel, welcome! Welcome, welcome. Nice to see you here. How are you? How's your Friday? So now I'm gonna do what I really enjoy doing. Shooting them down, one by one. Sooner or later they will die. What the fuck? It's the lazy version of killing zombies. They died. Oh, no, 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 one left. Ew! Oh, we have a survivor. Not anymore. Yes, thank you. Yes, I'm good, almost the weekend. Hype. I really like your new hype mode, Angel. It's so cool. Can't wait to use it. If only you can whistle while doing it. Thank you so much, I love it. It's amazing. Now we're gonna rob them. Gonna take all of their money. Now it's safe. Hookshot! Wow, can I use hookshot here? I wanna close this. Can I close this? No. I didn't want to open this shit. Okay, now my treasure will be worthless. Not touching anything that filthy. Okay, my fault. This was totally my fault. Oh, hi, lovely cow. More awful thing. Okay, let's use the hook shot. Yay! Okay, now we can progress further, I think. What's here? Nothing? Okay. Hopefully I killed everyone. Is the treasure gone forever? I think yes. I couldn't close back that thing and can't pick it up because she said that, oh, I'm not touching filthy things. I didn't know that I actually closed that thing back. I couldn't get that treasure. Will the world reset? Oh, it's totally fine. I think here will be the guys with the dynamite. There he is, and his friends as well. Hello. Wish I had a sniper rifle again in this game as well. Think I'm gonna write a song. Its title will be Wish I Had a Sniper Rifle. Wow, headshot! Do it! Oh! Oh. I need that ammo! Gimme! There's another one! Okay, I think I see the one who's throwing bombs at me. There he is! That wasn't nice. Where are you? Hahaha, deserved it. His damage changes with range? I think yes. It really depends on how far you are. Still hear someone. Where are you? Are you the one who's throwing dynamite at me? Nope. Then who? Ew! Hello? Can I leave them there? It won't open. The door is locked. I should be just beyond here. Okay, and what can I do? What if some of them holds the key? I need to enter this building. Maybe I can find something useful. Kill them all! Oh.
Rapido!
Rapido! I have to go back. That's cool. I have to go back. Muy rapido. Don't forget to hydrate. Water is important. So now I have to go back all the way. I can't believe this. Okay, let's do it. Do it, do it, do it. That's how developers maximize the landscape. Oh, more friends, and I think one of them has some dynamite. What's that? Yeah, dynamite. Nice. You won't throw that on me. Oh, hello guys. Haha, dodged it. At least now I get a lot of TMP ammo. Oh! Nope, 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 nope. Just blow up silently, please. Why don't you blow up? Come on. Thanks. I don't know, I don't like this area. Don't ask me why, I just don't like it. It's creepy. The treasure is still there. Oh, and the chicken laid another egg. Something shiny. I think I saw something shiny. Let me go back. Yeah, there's something shiny there. Spinel, thank you. Okay. I think I know where I should go and which gate should I enter. shotgun shells. Thank you. Nothing here. Oh! That guy is wearing Leon's jacket. Run, run, run! There's a box with nothing in it. Oh, no. It's a trap. I set myself a trap. At least now they are concentrated at the door and they can't stab me in the back or something. Let's be positive. I think I haven't been in this building before. Yeah. Let's see if there's something to pick up here. There should be. Oh, I can push this. Just for the fun. Let's push this. What is that, people? 2 drops only? Yeah, it seemed to me that only 2 dropped something. Okay, totally worth it. And I think... yeah, I think that the Elegant Mask needs these 3 gems. Yes! Now this will be so freaking valuable. Okay, I need to unlock the door. I can't leave this place any other way. Let's check out this building as well. I think I haven't checked out a lot of things here during chapter 1 when we was here. Rolling with box. 3, or does it need 2 more? Or here 2 for the person's eyes. Needed 3. And I think now it's complete. So I can sell it for a high price. Okay. Okay, let's go and find the guy who stole Leon's jacket. There he is! Not nice. Please give me back that jacket. This looks like Leon's jacket because that's his jacket. Why is he wearing it? Because he stole it. Should be able to take it. That would be so cool. Sadly, I cannot take it. Oh, there goes Santa Claus. Is it for me or the cutscenes are really ugly? I mean, they are quite low in quality.
Hay un rumor que hay un extranjero entre nosotros.
Nuestro jefe se curará de la rata. Si la plaga es mucho mejor que la nuestra.
Tienes razón, es un hombre.
You carry the same blood as us, it seems. Nevertheless,
You're an outsider. Just remember, if you become
Santa Claus, he's Santa Claus.
eyes, you'll face severe consequences.
Don't ask me why, it just happened and I started to call him Santa Claus. I think one of the viewers, it was a cooperation with one of the viewers. I'm gonna check on the stream what we did back then, because now I'm curious, how did he end up being Santa Claus? That's a problem. Yeah, that was Santa Claus, the tall man. Uh-oh. He's Santa Claus. The horror version. He's the horror version of Santa Claus. Big Bird. Wow, now they're gonna sacrifice Ada. Yeah, I think maybe because of his beard he became Santa Claus. Oh! Hurt me. Now you're gonna die! Okay, that was luck. It was very luck. There's a treasure chest. Wow! Such a small gem inside a treasure chest like this, a huge chest. I like it how they had her ready to be killed, but she has all her weapons. Yeah. Oh, wish there was a stealth kill option here. Is anyone down there? Yes. No. You won't throw that dynamite. No. It's a big no. Let me check the map. Okay, it seems that I have to go upwards. I like the drum sound. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Oh, the merchant. Okay, for a moment I thought that it's Elaine. You got the iron key. Thank you. Thank you. Looks like the lift needs a key to activate it. Oh, really? What else is here? Okay, so it seems like I won't be able to use the
Welcome.
lift, maybe.
Got a selection of good. What are you selling?
Ah!
I'll buy it at a high price. Thank you.
I don't remember whether I will need it. Ah, the marking on the stone indicates that it once set in something, but what? Then I must keep it. Yes! 20,000!
I'll buy it at a high
This one is
price.
also pricey.
Thank you. Is that all? Thank. What are you buying?
Okay, I need a
Is
rifle.
that all?
I don't have any free space, yes. First I
Is that
need
all?
more
Thank
space,
you.
thank you.
Is that all?
Now give me the rifle. Okay, the herb is on the way. Okay. Boonet. Can't you buy ammo as well from them? I think I can't.
Thank you.
I can only buy first aid spray and weapons.
Come back anytime.
It would be so great to be able to buy weapons from him. It would really save my life. So I can't use that key that I've just picked up before. Oh, there's the door. This is where I should go now. Okay, I must go down. Seems we have some change in the plan. Oh, a typewriter! I have a bad feeling about this. I have this strange feeling that I should save. Because I'm gonna die. Maybe. Okay, let's go check out what's next. Door won't open, it must be locked. I need to find a key. Guess what? I got a key. Okay, where are the enemies? I know that they are lurking in the shadows. Oh, this is the place where we killed Santa Claus with Leon. Don't tell me that I have to fight him as Ada as well. I don't wanna. Yellow herb. The cat's eye. Why are you giving me herbs? I don't want to open. Don't want to open the door. Oh no! This is gonna be a boss fight. Okay. I think it's gonna be a boss fight. No! No, 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 no! I don't want this. I hate chainsaws. Can I run away? Someone behind me! Oh no! Don't come any closer! Ah! Okay, too much pressure. Too much pressure. I don't know what the hell happened, but I think it was favorable for me. Everyone died except the chainsaw lady. Don't worry, I have a lot of shotgun shells. And I'm still alive. I killed her and I'm still alive. Didn't die. And now I got the lift activation key. Nice. Yay. Hell yes. Let's do a wave. Okay, but before I go back to the lift, I wanna enter this place because I saw some stuff to pick up here. Oh. Let's pick up everything we find here. Yeah, it happened like this. Exactly, Eddie. Can't help it, I really hate these enemies with the chainsaw. They really freak me out. There was an item above you. Okay, what's up with the stream again? Should work properly. But you don't work at all. This. And yeah, what really makes it more bothersome that when I wanna upload my previous streams on YouTube, I have to edit them because I hate these buffering parts, and when I go offline and then rendering takes forever. I think now it works. Okay, now it works. Buffering again, why? Got some gummy candies. Yeah. So yeah, I got some gummy candies. It was bonus stuff I got for my lunch order. Sometimes they give me gummy candy, sometimes they give me energy drinks, Yeah, the stream is clearer. Maybe now it's better. Yes. I will have to edit this video again before uploading it on YouTube. Yeah, 5 seconds or so delay.